Exploring additional income streams. How to identify opportunities for diversification within your side hustle. Try to brainstorm some complementary offerings within your side hustle. Is there anything that can go along with it? For example, if you are an Airbnb host, you may want to also offer tours or Airbnb experiences. You might want to branch into Uber or car rentals or even Uber Eats if you have enough units to serve and there might be a market in your area. If you are teaching a language as a side hustle, you might want to offer to take students abroad on a tour and arrange homestays for them. This is what I did with my English school side hustle that ended up being a chain of English schools in Japan. You may want to upsell or cross-sell, offer additional features or related products to existing customers as outlined before, passive income strategies, and leveraging multiple revenue streams. If you are YouTubing or blogging, as a side hustle, you might want to do affiliate marketing to promote brands for a commission. You could create digital products like I do on Udemy. You could sell courses, ebooks, or digital downloads. Patreon is also good for this. Make sure you diversify. Spread your risk. My friend who is a famous YouTuber, Eric Surf 6, does not quit his day job of university teaching because YouTube could go away tomorrow. You just never know. Do not put all of your eggs in one basket. I feel the same way with Airbnb. Things change. Businesses go bankrupt or become obsolete. Jeff Bezos says he is amazed that Amazon still exists. You could diversity to gain rental income like I do, or investments like Warren Buffett or Michael Saylor. Explore real estate or investment opportunities for additional income. See my course on value investing, Retire Early, The Millionaire Path. Smart investment, reinvest profits into scaling your side hustle or launching new ventures. Consider different investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds for long-term growth. Be sure to create an emergency fund as a financial cushion. Set aside money for unexpected expenses or times of lower income.